Hello everyone, welcome back to Bright Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to make soap easily at home by using some simple ingredients. So let's get started. So for this, we will need sunflower oil, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide and some water. Instead of sunflower oil you can even use other oils like castor oil, olive oil, as per your availability. Anyway, now let's start making the soap. First, we should take a beaker and add 75 milliliters of water to it. After that, we should dissolve 20 grams of sodium hydroxide in it. Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water generates a lot of heat, so you should be careful. Also, if it by mistakenly splashes into your eyes it could potentially blind you, and if it falls on the skin it will cause third-degree burns. Okay, so now I have finished dissolving it completely and now we can keep this solution aside and start making our oils mixture. So, for making the second solution, you should measure 125 grams of sunflower oil in a beaker and add 25 grams of coconut oil to it and mix it thoroughly. Okay, so after mixing it thoroughly you can start adding the sodium hydroxide solution to it. After adding the sodium hydroxide, you can see sudden cloudiness, and this is the beginning of the reaction. And from now on, we will need a hand blender to thoroughly mix things. The reaction which is happening here is called saponification reaction. Saponification is a process that involves conversion of fat into soap and alcohol by the action of heat in the presence of aqueous alkali. You should keep mixing things till the oil no longer separates. This stage where oil no longer separates is called the trace point. It's better to keep mixing things for 2 more minutes after you reach the trace point, to make sure that all the sodium hydroxide has reacted with the fat present in the oil. You can also add optional ingredients to your soap, like food coloring, fragrances, etc. I will add some of these when I reach the trace point. Okay, so now the oil is no longer separating and the sodium hydroxide has fully reacted, and now it's time for adding some optional ingredients. So the additional ingredients which I am adding are some mango essence, orange food coloring, rosemary essential oil and some fragrance. I am adding these items but you can add whatever you want. You can also add sand, seeds, or fruit pulp. You can even add some powdered sugar if you want a more foamier soap. It's completely your wish. So first, I am adding some orange food coloring. After giving things a slight mix, I am adding some mango flavor. Then, I am adding some fragrance. Last but not the least, I am adding a few drops of rosemary essential oil. After adding everything, you should give things a thorough mix. Okay, so now, everything is ready and now you should take a mold of your choice and pour the soap mixture into it. Here I have taken a plastic mold and now I will be pouring the mixture into it. Okay, so now, everything is done, and now this mold should be left aside for 4 weeks. Sometimes after drying, the soap becomes a bit dark in color. This depends on the additional ingredients you add. After 4 weeks, this was the final result. I have cut it into 4 pieces because it was too large to use. Enjoy your soap. Okay guys, so, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.